flight controls.
Hotel Tango Romeo Zulu,
Oh, so
goedendag.
smooth.
Yeah.
Goedendag, Hotel Tango Romeo Zulu.
For the day and have
Yeah,
fun.
like this one. You can go and have some dogfights.
Papa Lima Delta, line up en weten, runway 05.
Line up and wait, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta. Let's go. Okay, let's check final.
Papa India, line up en weten in sequence, runway 05.
Landing light on.
Lining up runway 05 in sequence, Papa Hotel Romeo Papa India.
Final is clear.
Papa Lima Delta, de wind 080 voor knots, runway 05 cleared for takeoff, left hand circuit 500 feet.
Clear for takeoff, runway 05, left hand circuit 500 feet, Papa Lima Delta. Okay, we go, huh?
Yeah. Wind is from the left or the right. Take to the right. The light, keep the center line. Slightly pull the stick. And there we go.
Yeah, it wants to fly itself, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel the power.
Good morning, number 1, departure.
All right, radar.
Papa India, send us your warning for the circuit, you Bravo departure.
It's heavy on the stick. Okay, 200 feet, speed check, flaps. That's it.
That's it.
And the power will be 50, right, around that? For circuit?
Sorry?
Around 50%.
Correct. Yeah. If you reach
Katana.
Katana, nice.
Okay, 500 feet.
Altitude.
That's what you meant.
Yeah.
Okay, we will go to the left.
Oscar Whiskey Bravo, 1003 knots, runway 05 cleared.
Oh, it's beautiful. So smooth.
And quick, eh?
Yeah, and quick. Yes.
Very fast.
Yeah, it's going
Tango
fast.
Zulu, you can proceed to the yellow line.
Oh, we are already here. You're right.
Altitude.
Papa Tango Zulu, to the yellow line and hold.
I will pull the outbound
Yes,
brake.
yes. That's why they do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It gives us the altitude so much better. Okay.
Papa Sierra Juliet is number 2, number 1
moment.
final, extend down.
Number 2.
Okay.
Extending downwind. Papa Sierra Juliet.
Okay, downwind checks.
Departure in between.
Altitude is good. Speed is okay. The drifting is good. And we are away from the runway. Safety belts are okay. Brakes are checked. And engine is on the green. And we have enough fuel. And traffic coming from there? No, nobody.
We have traffic ahead. It's on the right side, over all the barns, I think. Or is...
Wait, I will go. Papa Lima Delta is downwind.
Papa Lima Delta is number 2, number 1 is ahead and extending.
Number 2, looking for traffic. Papa Lima Delta. Okay,
Oh, I thought that it's a windmill.
they are extending.
Papa Tango Zulu, line up en weten, runway 05.
Line up and wait 05. Papa Zulu.
It must be, no.
Yeah, it's
It must be the Katana, yeah.
on the right hand side.
Yes, I see it, in the middle of the windmills.
And then you can follow the marker.
But he's extending like,
Follow the marker.
he's too close to the windmills.
Papa Sierra Juliet, base turn approved.
Base turn approved.
It's super low.
Papa Delta Romeo Zulu 05, ready for departure.
Papa Romeo Zulu, roger to hold.
What the?
Roger to hold, Papa Romeo Zulu.
Oh, it's turning, eh? No.
Yeah, but
Papa Tango Zulu 09
It's in the middle of the...
05 cleared for takeoff.
It was there, eh?
Yeah.
05, clear for takeoff, ground flight. Papa Tango.
No, it's a visual effect, of course, yeah. Oof.
Papa Romeo Zulu, change of plans, line up and wait, runway 05.
Line up and wait, 05, Papa Tango Romeo Zulu.
Okay.
Oh, the base turn was approved, eh?
Yeah. I will slow down a bit. Okay.
Yeah. And on the beginning of
Papa
base,
Romeo Zulu, after the
or
departure,
the
right
end
turn
of
down to the low
downwind,
flying area. The wind 0603
you can
runway 05
select
cleared for
flaps.
Yeah.
Roger, clear takeoff 05.
So, he is all final. I will select flaps now. Yes?
Yeah, it's okay, and then you start the base turn.
Papa
We are number 2, eh?
Romeo Charlie,
Yeah.
goeiedag. Give way to the traffic on Sierra, then taxi to the fuel station.
Give way to the traffic on Sierra, there after taxi to the fuel station. Papa Tango Romeo Charlie.
Yeah, we are far.
Papa India, Bravo.
Papa India, please take approved, quick look.
Final is clear.
Papa India.
Nice.
We are low. I will put
There, Juliet.
And the wind is from the right, eh?
Yeah.
Papa Sierra Juliet, 040 Calm, runway 05, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 05.
They are still there?
Yeah, the clear touch and go, so I think above the runway.
I don't see them.
Ready for departure.
Either.
Papa Victor Bravo, to hold.
We'll hold Papa Victor
The window is really dirty, yeah?
Yeah, it's in the middle, yeah, of the
Oh,
runway now.
in the middle of the runway, so nice. We do the same, eh? Middle of the runway. Our speed must be around about 70. You can do the final checks.
Okay, final checks, flaps takeoff. That's it.
Full flaps.
Yeah, it was from the last lesson. Sorry.
And when it starts lift off, and go for final.
I'll put a bit more power. Yeah.
You're a little left of the center line.
Yeah.
Now you can give the call.
Papa Lima Delta final.
Papa Lima Delta, 040 Calm, runway 05, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 05. Papa Lima Delta. Yeah, I'm low and slow, so I'll put a bit more power.
You're left of the center line. Look to the end of the runway, over the center line, and start flaring, and flare, and reduce flare. Keep it here, here.
Oh,
That's it. It was really flat, but
beautiful.
it was like this. So next time like this. Yep.
the
Flaps
Papa Tango
take
Zulu,
off.
Bravo.
And we go.
Papa
Go.
Tango Zulu,
Keep it on the
approved,
center.
later.
Stand approved, stop so, Papa Tango Zulu.
Avoid the lights.
The wind is from the right, eh?
Yeah.
Slowly,
Papa Victor Bravo,
slide,
line
but
up and wait, runway 05.
yeah, that's it.
Line up and wait, runway 05.
Wow, like it.
Release the pedals, and we know where the wind is coming from, and okay, nice.
Okay, 200 feet, speed check, flaps up. Woo. Thinking, nice.
To the left of the center line. Aircraft is on crosswinds.
Yes, traffic inside. Oh, wow, it really wants to climb.
Yeah, this is
I'm trying to
really...
keep the speed, but... Okay, 500 feet.
Papa Victor Bravo, 0504 knots, runway 05, clear for takeoff, right turn out, direct to the low flying area.
There is our aircraft.
I will give you some space, because he's slow.
He's slow and he's flown a lot.
Yeah, he went super far.
Yeah.
So that's what I meant.
But when you're abeam, you can start it.
Yeah, I meant that he's slow doing things, not because we are all at same speed. Let's go. Oh, this aircraft feels so good. I mean, I love the Katana, but
this is
this is my
because it's more heavier.
But I'm very happy to have learned in the Katana.
Yeah,
because
aircraft on the runway. Keep it on the center line.
Okay, final checks. Yeah, final checks, landing light is on, and flaps check. Landing.
And the bus will get it now from you. Ready for departure, hold departure, 3 runway 05.
Go too low.
Papa Sierra India Romeo to hold.
And hold.
Go too low.
Papa Lima Delta 0806 knots, runway 05, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta.
Papa Victor Bravo, be advised, there is already an aircraft in the low-flying area.
To the left of the center line. Go back to the
Papa
center line.
Romeo
Do it.
Zulu Tower.
Yeah.
Papa
This
Romeo,
is
go ahead.
Papa Romeo Zulu, aircraft will join you in the low-flying area, 83.
Yeah, we'll keep a sharp lookout, thank you. Papa
to the
Romeo
left.
Zulu.
Or to the right, sorry.
Yeah, I get it. I see your hand.
Look over the center line.
Yes.
So now you're coming close to the runway. You see the runway is going up. Look to the end of the runway. And now you keep the aircraft on this altitude, yeah? Keep it here. So slowly reduce power and put the nose up a little. And put the nose up a little. Put the nose more up. Put the nose more up like this, yeah. That's it. And you can be more like this.
Yeah.
So yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So flaps.
Low, yeah. Flaps up, and we go. And
Really
stick
good.
to the wind.
Stick to the wind.
And release pressure from the nose wheel, and it flies alone. And release the rudder, and trim, and we are good. I can trim with my arm.
Yeah.
Papa Sierra India Romeo, line up and wait to runway 05.
Line up and wait, runway 05. Papa Sierra Romeo. Deze tower, Papa,
Okay, 200 feet. That's
Papa Echo Victor Bravo.
good.
Like pass message to the Papa Delta Romeo Julie, will stay in the
So
wind.
this was a good landing.
Okay, that's complete.
Nice. Yeah, it feels good. Feels very good.
Do you have your medical with you?
In the
Papa Sierra India Romeo.
In the back?
Is for the circuit view.
No, is it in the Nimbus?
Nimbus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a takeoff runway 05. Roger.
That would be the faster adaptation to Europe.
Coming to our direction, eh?
Yeah, that's the shitty part.
Get a signal.
Okay, and then I start
Switch off the fuel control.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll slow down a bit now. Go to the left, and then I will put the flaps. Okay. I could put flaps now, but wait. Pitch check and flaps. Okay.
Do not climb on the base turn.
Look at final, it's good except of the rain. Okay, and final checks, landing light is on, and wait, I will establish myself and speed check, full flaps, and call. Papa Lima Delta is final.
Papa Lima Delta 1006 knots, runway 05, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta.
Papa India Romeo 08, Bravo, this is Johnny 60 for Dutch Mill Photo.
Papa India Romeo, vliegtuig approved, goeie vlucht.
Dank u wel.
A bit low. That wasn't me dropping it.
Yeah.
I think we hit the light.
No, we didn't.
Okay, we go.
On the center line.
Take off. And release pressure. Stick to the wind. Yes. I love this airplane.
Me too.
Oh. Such a pleasure. Okay, 200 feet, speed check, flaps up. We're gonna sink and go up.
Aircraft on crosswinds.
Yes.
I think ready to start. Turn to downwind.
This is a rocket to the stars. Still
Oh,
80. yeah, nice, huh? Okay, 500 feet. That thing is getting close. That's the main problem I see.
That's my main problem, because I want your solo ready, without any pressure. Let's see what's happening with the shower.
So we keep doing until...
Yeah, and then
there will be a guy coming, downwind checks, brakes, and safety valve. Direction is good, aft is good, height is good, and speed is good. And nothing like this done. Not that it's not a check, but engine are on the green and fuel is still okay.
Tower Papa Hotel Tango.
There's our aircraft.
Zulu is leaving the low flying area. Can we proceed request direct downwind?
Going crosswind now.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Base, sorry.
Base, yeah.
Zulu, conversions direct left and
Now you're playing with the power to put it on the right
There's
place.
seats there already, yeah.
final.
The big difference.
So I have no controls.
Sorry?
I'm just a passenger, so
okay.
no controls. Yeah.
Flaps.
Lima Delta 12080.
Flaps down, landing light is on. Clear touch and go, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta.
Deze Tower Papa Tango Romeo Charlie.
Papa Tango Romeo Charlie, goeiedag.
Papa Tango Romeo Charlie.
You're a little flat now.
Papa Romeo Charlie, taxi holding point Sierra 5, runway 05.
Holding point Sierra 5, runway 05, Papa Romeo Charlie.
I will now land on the blocks, okay? Okay, so we go higher. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, well then.
Don't fly too low.
Ladies and Tower Papa Bravo Echo Charlie Echo request taxi to Sierra 5.
Papa Bravo Echo Charlie, goeiedag. DA40 traffic coming from the right on Sierra, then taxi holding point Sierra 5, runway 05.
Left on the center.
Traffic on the right and then taxi to holding point Sierra 5.
Now slowly reduce power. Look to the end of the runway.
Tower Papa Golf India Sierra Information Lima approaching Mike.
Lower, little, yeah, this is the place. And reduce power and keep it there. Power. Close.
Mike arrival option 8 from 017. Runway 05.
Okay, let's go. Flaps and
I do that.
power. Because the runway will be...
Yes, you're right. There we go. Yep. It was missing a bit of a stick to the wind now.
Because I changed your sequence. Because I did something.
Papa Romeo Zulu, 13080.
Next time I will hit your hand, okay?
I hit that.
Papa Romeo Zulu.
Okay, 200 feet, speed check, flaps up. And starting to rain. I'm gonna cry. Okay, now we see how it is, yeah? And I'm the unluckiest
I think
man
the
ever.
wind will get stronger, because that wind will start to turn.
Oh, yeah.
So it will be a crosswind landing probably, yeah? No, later.
Yeah, but I'm good with that.
I know.
That problem is gone.
Ladies and Tower Helicopter Papa Hotel Romeo and Whiskey Golf 1 ready.
So,
Romeo
helicopter.
Zulu, this will be a full stop for you.
Roger, full stop. Papa Romeo Zulu.
Papa Lima Delta, 13010, runway 05, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta. Okay, final checks. Landing light is on, and speed check, flaps down. We are too much to the left, but I'm gonna fix that soon. Yeah, now there is more crosswind, but like it now.
You keep it on the center line, eh?
Yeah.
However, and make sure the nose will be aligned.
At the last moment, yeah.
And take care for the flaring moment,
left and downwind, runway 05, 1000.
I'm a bit slow.
Running left hand, downwind, runway 05, 1000 feet, Papa Echo, Golf, and
Okay, look to the end of the runway. Now reduce power and keep it on 1 meter, yeah? Use and keep it there. There. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there, keep it there. Have her put the stick down. Yep, okay, flaps and let's go. Keep the stick in the wind. Come on.
Charlie, 75,
Nice.
Love it.
Papa Tango Romeo Charlie, roger to hold.
Holding Papa Romeo Charlie.
Papa Romeo Zulu, 1309 and knots, runway 05, clear the length.
Roger, clear to left 05, Papa Romeo Zulu.
200 feet, speed check, flaps up.
There's a lot of...
yeah, it's too much. Right?
It's later on.
Papa Lima Delta, maintain runway heading.
Maintaining runway heading, Papa Lima Delta.
Papa Lima Zulu, overhead XK 1000 feet.
Papa Lima Zulu, join left and downwind, runway 05, 1000 feet.
Left and downwind, runway 05, 1000 feet, Papa Lima.
It's a small shower. I think we make a full stop.
Wait for it, or... And wait.
And wait.
Papa Romeo Charlie, line up and wait, runway 05.
Let's see how the weather develops.
Speed.
Papa Lima Delta request
Papa Lima Delta.
to leave the flight plan open for the first solo flight.
Papa Lima Delta, will do.
Yay!
Thank you.
Papa Lima Delta, 1109 and knots, runway 05, clear the length.
Clear the line, runway 05, Papa Lima Delta.
Ladies and Tower, Papa Delta uniform.
Not too low, eh? Not too low.
We are at the Golf 5, request taxi to 05 Fire Hotel.
Papa Hotel, uniform Sierra Hotel, goedemorgen. Taxi Fire Hotel to Hotel Point Sierra 5, runway 05.
It's a little lower.
Yeah,
Point 05, Sierra 505.
It has a lot of drag with the full flaps.
Correct.
Lot. So I have to keep always a lot of...
Okay, focus.
Papa Romeo Charlie downwind.
The left of the center
Papa
line.
Romeo Charlie, roger. At the end of downwind, orbit right.
At the end of downwind, orbit right, Papa Romeo Charlie. Papa Victor Bravo, request direct to the field.
Don't forget the flare, eh?
Direct 8 miles final, runway 05, Q&A from 017, information mic.
1017, we'll monitor Mike, direct to the airfield, 1 final, runway 05, Papa Victor Bravo.
Oscar Bravo, ready for departure. Oscar Whiskey Bravo, line up and wait, runway 05. There will be a departure in front from intersection
No,
Sheriff.
never do this.
Okay, sorry.
Line up and wait, 05, Oscar Juliet Whiskey Bravo. Papa Romeo Zulu, line up and wait, runway 05.
Line up and wait, 05, Papa Romeo Zulu.
Oh yeah.
No.
Papa Lima Delta, taxi to hotel.
Okay.
Not with high speed, eh?
Taxi to hotel, Papa Lima Delta. Yeah,
You will enter in the cross. Then you can better take the next one.
Papa Romeo Zulu, de wind 1008,
yeah.
runway 05, cleared for takeoff left and circuit 5.
now I see that the speed.
Takeoff 05,
I also this has more mass.
Correct.
It will. I felt I could brake and lower.
Papa Romeo Charlie, roll out and downwind is number 1,
that's
2
it.
departures
Okay.
in front.
Wait.
Roll out and downwind is number 1, 2
Landing.
departures, Papa Romeo
Flight
Charlie.
is off. On. And flaps up. Are we okay? No, let me check because it's a new name.
So it is a new aircraft for you.
Yes. After landing check, flaps up, pitot hit off, yes. Alternate air is closed. Landing taxi Taxi light is on and transponder is on. I pressed on and now. Okay, let's go. No traffic coming. And I think Sander will have nice weather.
I think he will, yeah.
Oh, we skipped it for so little.
Alpha Echo Charlie passing, Bravo.
Papa Echo Charlie, free chase approved, tot later.
Free chase approved, tot later.
It will be stop engine
Papa
and
Romeo
everything.
Zulu, early cross.
So we leave the engine running?
Early crossing
We leave it running?
Romeo Zulu.
Because this cannot be opened like this.
Wake
Okay. I thought
If you put it,
yeah, there.
Okay, Roger, Papa Charlie.
Oscar Whiskey Bravo, de wind 0807 knots, runway 05, cleared for...
Foxtrot Victor Delta, request taxi to the axis.
All is gonna be okay.
Papa Delta, Foxtrot Victor Delta, taxi holding